ATV's Salud15 is gearing up to launch a new program.
Salud15 is a spin-off from a segment that started in Noticia Noche. ATV thought it would be great to motivate people to have a healthier lifestyle, and also people were asking on what our own team is doing to keeping a healthier lifestyle. So with that in mind, the curiosities started growing into the community and they asked for more and more. So we decided to do a program on it. So it's called Salud15. Well, I'll be presenting it, but it's going to feature all the faces of our team and showing people what alternatives that there are out there so that they can have healthier lifestyle.
Francie assures me there will be no censoring. The good, the bad, and the ugly of our colleagues' diet and lifestyle will be shown.
I don't want to give out everything, but we're starting off with you as a very good example, one of the only ones, if I can give away that maintain your hobby and turn it into a professional thing right now. And you could see people that started when we started with the segment in Noticia Noche and not doing anything right now. We're gonna show everything. So you could say it's sort of reality show, because we're showing every day. We're not hiding anything to our viewers. If you did good, great for you, and if you did bad, we're gonna take you on your fingers.
Francie explains why such a show is necessary for the general public of the island.
In the government period of the last Gabinete Ayman first, there was the health minister that started this movement in our community by showing everybody the importance of moving. And we could see our community moving a lot more. People are walking more in the linear park and things like that. And it's very important to maintain them or to motivate them to keep it up and continue with the movement. It's not like a trend and then it's gonna die. No, this is for your lifestyle, so you have to continue. And that's what we're trying to do with this program, showing everybody, walking is one of the examples of movement that you can do on our island. And with our own talents, you could see how many different things there are out there that you can do to maintain this healthy lifestyle.
Viewers will be able to see a different side of the many on-air personalities on Salud15, which Francie says is another great aspect of the show.
And I think the greatest thing of the program is you're gonna have a view of our people, how they are. Some TV personalities that you see, like me presenting Noticia, but you're gonna see a different face. You're gonna see you and me interacting and how we are in real life. And I think that's the most great part of this Salud15.